Today we'll be going over how to do this seamless transition, smooth and seamless transition in Final Cut Pro. If you are new here, this is a channel for all Final Cut Pro tips, tricks, and plugins. This is our website on the screen here, www.b3-studios.com. If you are interested in increasing your workflow with a variety of plugins, go check out the site. Now let's get on into the video for today. Okay, so getting started with our seamless transition. First of all, you're going to want a color match. So you see how the screen is white here? It's because we're going to be transitioning into another white scene. So if you are following along, or if you have clips that don't match my particular clips, just make sure the colors match. So say if you're zooming into a blue screen, you want the next scene to be blue. So if you're zooming into something black, you want the next scene to be black. So we just want to keep it as consistent as we can. Just a tip before we get started. Now, to get started, we're just gonna try to zoom into this white screen right here. So I'm gonna keyframe my position right here. Just make sure your playhead's at the beginning. I'm gonna keyframe position, keyframe scale. So I'm gonna go to the end of this clip right before it ends, and I'm gonna zoom in to the screen. Once you have your zoom in into the screen and everything is completely white, now what you want to do is you want to go to your next clip. So what we're going to do on this clip is, since this first clip is zooming in and is already on the white screen, we're going to have this already zoomed in. So it's going to be like we're zooming out. So what you want to do is zoom in so that this is, the majority of the screen is white. So about here is really good. And once you have the majority of the screen white, what you're going to do now is you're going to go to Edit, then you're going to add a freeze frame. Once you add that freeze frame, what you're going to do now is place that freeze frame about 1 or 2 frames in front of the first clip, and then we're going to break this right here. Okay, break that. And now what we're going to do here is we are going to actually make adjustments. Now we are going to start keyframing. So not on the freeze frame clip, but on the actual next clip, we are going to add a keyframe to the position and add a keyframe to the scale. And we're gonna go probably about a couple frames in, and we are going to put the position on 0, and we just want to back this up a bit right here. And now let's just see what this looks like so far. We're gonna clean it up, but let's just see what this looks like. Okay, so we got the transition, but it's not as seamless as we want it to be yet. So to make it seamless, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna, on our freeze frame clip right here, we are going to lower the opacity. I'm gonna add a keyframe right here. So we're gonna lower the opacity. And we're gonna go about 1, 2, 3 frames in, and bring the opacity to about 48. And that should give us a seamless transition right here. So let's start over. Let's start this clip from the halfway mark. And that's a really good seamless transition right there. It comes in very smooth. And like I said before, guys, if you have different clips, make sure the colors match wherever you're trying to zoom into. So if it's green that you're trying to zoom into, make sure the next scene is green as well. That's our short video for today. I hope this helped you out today. Like I said, we'll be coming out with more content coming soon. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider liking and subscribing for the channel, because we will be coming out with more videos to help you out on your Final Cut Pro journey. Again, visit our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find plenty of plugins that will help your Final Cut Pro workflow. All right, now thank you guys, and I will see you soon. All right, bye.